Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, we will see the review of few kurtas that I bought from Myntra at real good deals, and let's check out if they are good or bad. But before proceeding, if you're new here, consider subscribing and I'm sure you won't be disappointed as there are loads of interesting videos lined up for you. So stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. This is a pure cotton kurta in nice blue shade from the brand Ahika, and it is an anarkali style kurta. It has round neck with buttons on the front open slit secured with white buttons that goes till the bottom of the kurta. Has a slit at the bottom of the kurta. The sleeve length is until the elbow and has a button detailing at the cuffs of the sleeve. Looks very stylish. The flare of the kurta is moderate and looks pretty good. The print does not look very promising to me, guys. I mean, it looks like a rubber print and might fade off in a few washes. The fabric is good, it's pure cotton, but it's a little transparent, which is manageable. The size is a bit large for me and so it looks shapeless, but if you pick up the right size it might look better. I personally didn't like this kurta. I mean, it's a bit transparent and the print might wash off in just 2 washes. Not worth the money spent. This is again a beautiful anarkali kurta from the brand Ahika. Very nice color combination, grey and white. Has a boat neck with keyhole neck design secured with a button. Looks very stylish. The back neck is also slightly boat shaped with 1 inch depth. The sleeves are until elbow in length and has a contrast piping at the cuffs of the sleeves. It adds to the overall beauty of the kurta. Very neat piping at the cuffs. Print looks good, will not fade away after washes. Fabric is excellent, feels good on the skin. And a big thumbs up for the overall look of this kurta, guys. I mean, it looks very classy, so if you like it, definitely go ahead and pick it up. Guys, we have a giveaway going on. Those of you who do not know it yet, check the description for details. 2 winners will be announced on the 1st of July. So do check the description, consider subscribing and follow me on Instagram for regular updates. Okay, now this one is a simple yet elegant kurta from the brand Here and Now. Rich navy blue shade. It has nice round neck with a keyhole neck design with button detail and golden thread work around the keyhole neck. Looks very neat and classy. Very nice neck design. It has tiny chunky work hither and thither along the bust line of the kurta. Looks very neat. I mean, it's not clumsy, very neatly done and it's very minimal. The sleeves are 3/4 in length and plain at the cuffs. Fabric is rayon and feels super soft. It's an A-line kurta and has a nice shape. Gives a beautiful look when worn actually. Very pretty looking and the shape is really good. I took a medium size by mistake and looks a bit tight on me, but if you pick up the right size, it will definitely look good on you. But beautiful, elegant, simple kurta can be worn as formal wear and looks very neat, guys. So if you like it, just give it a try. You will definitely like it. This is a pretty looking pure cotton kurta from the brand Libas. It's a Dabu printed kurta in nice brown and maroon shade. Very stylish looking. It has a nice U-neck with portly button detailing in a vertical line along the right side of the yoke. Looks really unique. And also a red piping along the waistline of the kurta. You can see that. And it has a closed slit from the waistline all through the bottom of the kurta, and that part of the kurta is styled with plain red fabric to make it stand out. Looks really stylish, guys. I mean, it's a unique style kurta. You can definitely give it a try. The sleeves are 3/4 in length and has a red piping along the cuffs. Very simple and neat looking. The red piping along the waistline runs through the back side of the kurta as well. And the back neck is boat shaped with 1 inch depth. The fabric is pure cotton and feels really good on the skin. It's not transparent at all. The Dabu print looks great and attractive. Overall, a very pretty looking kurta, guys. I mean, it's worth giving it a try. If you like it, just give it a try. I'm sure you will like it. This is a simple yet beautiful kurta in bottle green shade from the brand Libas. Very pretty and neat looking. It has a round neck with keyhole neck design. The back neck is also boat shaped with 1 inch depth. The keyhole neck is secured with hook and eye opening. It has contrast embroidery in beige color all through the front side of the kurta. Looks very neat and elegant. The sleeves are 3/4 in length and has a contrast ribbon piping at the cuffs. It's very good for formal wear, guys. The fabric is pure cotton, feels very good on the skin, and it's not transparent at all. So that's a good thing. And the back of the kurta is plain. It's a A-line kurta and has a nice shape. I mean, the cut at the waistline is very good. Looks neat when worn. You may certainly give it a try. And I hope you like this content, and if yes, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Until I see you in my next video, this is Babita signing off. It's one life, live it up. Please do check the description for details on the giveaway. Thanks for watching, guys.